This is the first time I'm making vanilla extract, and I had purchased two kinds of vanilla bean. This one I got from the bulk barn, and they said that it came from Germany. So 3 beans for about $10, and this one I got from Costco, 5 beans for about $29. Cutting board and vanilla beans, measuring cup, a bottle to put your vanilla beans in, and vodka. Let's get started. So we just need to slice all the vanilla beans lengthwise. Like so. To do this with all the 5 beans, and when it's done we just cut them in half as well. Okay, so now all the vanilla beans are in the bottle. So I'm going to pour out a cup of vodka. Just a little splash in my pineapple. So here's our cup of vodka, which I am now going to transfer into the bottle with the vanilla beans. I'm using a funnel just to make sure that nothing is spilled. Here it goes. Give it a shake, and you will see that some of the paste inside the bean came out. So let me show you. So I ended up making 2 bottles and just stuck on the labels of what I made. Hi everyone. Have a look at the bottle of vanilla extract I made last month. Just giving it a shake. Color is getting darker, but I believe it will take a few more months for it to be in good condition to be used. So I'll see you then. Hi, it's Feb 22nd today, and I wanted to show you the 2 bottles of vanilla extract which I had put together back on August 4. I had originally put 4 of the beans, but I added 1 more within that month, so I changed the label at 5. Shake. Now open and give it a smell. It does smell like vanilla with a hint of the alcohol still in there. So I'm excited to use this in making some vanilla cupcakes. Now the second bottle, because it only had 3 beans, color of the liquid seems lighter, but it's also smell, if see, it smells like vanilla. This second bottle still has a hint of the alcohol in it, although I can also smell the hint of vanilla. So maybe I'm going to keep this one in the bottle a little bit longer, and if I get the chance to add more beans, I'm going to do that.